and welcome to my channel, Designed by Josephine and Josee. And today's video is an elegant Thanksgiving tablescape video. Now, I know that Thanksgiving is over, but I still wanted to share this elegant, sophisticated tablescape. So before I get into the details of this elegant tablescape, I wanted to say that if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I want to say welcome. I upload videos once a week in my channel, and if you are into tablescapes, home decor, gardening, and how to entertain at home, then you can definitely subscribe to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber and you're watching one of my videos again, I want to say welcome back. Please be sure to check out all of my social media links down below in the description box. And now let me go ahead and get started in today's tablescape. So, of course, I always start off with the tablecloth. This tablecloth is just absolutely gorgeous. This is a tablecloth that is from Home Goods. It is just so elegant and it goes with the Thanksgiving theme. So I wanted to mention that my mom helped me with this tablescape. I also want to mention that my boyfriend also helped me with this tablescape as well. So here is this beautiful silverware. And as you can see, the silverware looks absolutely gorgeous with the tablescape. I also have decided to add this beautiful napkin ring combined with the napkins. As you can see, there's two different napkin cloths. And the first one is a beautiful gold napkin. And then the second one is this beautiful rustic orange napkin that have fall leaf patterns on it. And it just looks absolutely gorgeous. So, like I have mentioned, my mom and my boyfriend have helped design this beautiful tablescape. And I just think it just looks so beautiful. I love the beaded gold charger plates. Again, it kind of gives that elegant touch to the tablescape. And I also love the china plates that we have used, the china set, the soup bowl, and also the dinner plate. And here is the glassware, as you can see, that have beautiful gold design. The wine glass have beautiful gold design, and the water glass is also from Gorham, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. And as you can see, everything just goes together. So for the centerpiece, I have decided to use this beautiful green garland and added some pine cones to this centerpiece. I also added some burlap as well, again to give it that rustic look. Also added some pears and apples as well, with some fall flowers that have a rustic look to it, to make this tablescape look so elegant and exquisite and magnificent. As you can see, the soup tureen is right in the middle of the table. It have that beautiful floral design. Again, really reminds me of fall. Now, I also added different types of napkin cloths to add a touch of elegance to the tablescape. So as you can see, this napkin have a design of beautiful fall colors on there with some apples, pears, and corn. And I just think it looks absolutely gorgeous. And so now let me continue with the tour of the tablescape. And as you can see, I do have a different type of napkin ring as well. And again, more details of the napkin, the dinnerware, as you can see, the beautiful bone china. Again, I love to mix and match. Here's the soup tureen and more details of the beautiful centerpiece with some crystal candle holders as well with the crystal candelabras. I just think this table is just so elegant. Comment down below and let me know what you think about this elegant tablescape. Please be sure to check out my Amazon store. The link to my Amazon store is down below in the description box. So if you're looking for items to create a beautiful tablescape, I do have items in my Amazon store to create any type of tablescape. The holidays are still here. Of course, we're done with Thanksgiving. Christmas is just around the corner. And if you're planning to create a beautiful tablescape for Christmas and also decorate your Christmas tree and just home decor for any occasion, then please check out my Amazon store. So now I'm going to go ahead and continue with the tour of the tablescape.